Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And I'm Tom, and today we're going to fix up some of these baked potatoes here. Now these potatoes weigh a little bit over a half a pound each. I think this one is a little bit over 8 ounces. This one's almost 9 ounces, something like that. So, but anyway, and if you wanted to, I'm going to cook them in the FOODi DELUXE. And if you wanted to, you could get at least 4 of these down in there, maybe more, to bake these. Now we're going to bake them. You know, we're not going to pressure cook them or anything, we're just going to bake them. You know, and if you've ever had a baked potato in the FOODi DELUXE, I don't know why you would ever go back to putting them in the microwave unless you just had to have one in a hurry. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is give these a bath and put them back over here and dry them off a little bit. So I'll be back in a minute. Now, I've always been told when you do these that you need to put some holes in them with a fork or something like this, because if you don't, they will explode. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but instead of rather taking a chance on them, you know, just doesn't take but a second to poke a few holes in them like this. Although, now, you use caution when you're doing this, because this will go in your finger just like it does that potato. Trust me, I know this from facts. So just have to pay attention to what you're doing when you're doing this, putting these holes in here. And you can put holes in it with anything, you know, if you just want to use a little paring knife or something and poke holes in it. But they say it definitely needs holes in it. Keep it from busting. So whoever they is, you know, so it's one of those things they said, you know. So now next thing we're going to do, we'll put them down in this bowl right here, and we'll spray some good old olive oil on them. Do that the same way. Alright, now next thing we're going to do is come over here and get our salt. A little bit of pepper. And we're going to use a little bit of Mrs. Dash, of course. Mrs. Dash is good stuff. Like that. And now we're going to try something a little different here. This is the this is Everglades seasoning. Now I've tried this on other things and it's pretty good, but I haven't done it on these potatoes yet. So now let me get this all rubbed in and get them turned over here a little bit. Now I might have enough seasoning on here to go ahead and do both sides, especially with that oil on there and everything. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good right there. I'm going to lay this one on this paper towel just a minute so I can get this one down in there and get that all scooped up. You know, you don't want to waste any of it and keep from it, you know, so put it on there like that and get them all rubbed in. That's looking pretty good right there already, you know. So now, still got some more down in there. I don't want it to go to waste. I'd like to use it. But you can't get so much on one potato, you know, so you get what you can on there. Okay, now we'll put it down in the FOODi DELUXE over here. We'll make sure this other one gets as much on him as we can get on him. Okay, now I'll put this one down in the FOODi DELUXE. Okay, now you can see you can get at least 4 of those in there without any problem whatsoever. So, you know, if you wanted to cook 4, you could cook 4 all at the same time. So So now we're going to come over here and shut the lid on the Ninja FOODi Deluxe, and we're going to turn on the power. We're going to turn it over here on Bake Roast. So take your selector knob here and run it down to where it says Bake Roast. Alright, and it says 375. Well, I don't want it there. I want it up to 400 degrees. So that starts flashing after you hit your time button here. I mean your temperature button. And then you can take your selector knob and run on up to 400 degrees. Alright, that says 15 minutes. We don't want 15 minutes. So we hit the timer button. Now we're going to run this bad boy all the way up to 40 minutes. And then you go hit the start button. Now I really think it'll be ready to come out of there before 40 minutes is up. Because it says the internal temperature needs to be 210 degrees. So after about 15-20 minutes I'm going to check it just to see, and that way we'll get some idea of how long it's going to take. So until then, while y'all sitting around waiting, how about giving me a thumbs up and join our channel? We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much for watching our videos. Okay, now it's coming up on 20 minutes since I've hit that start button here. And we're going to open this lid and see about what the temperature is. So, yeah, we've got a long ways to go. It's only up to about 140, 145, something like that. And so, we're going to let them go on for the other 20 minutes. Of course, like when it gets another 10 minutes, I'll check it again. Okay, now we're down under 10 minutes. Let's take a look now. I'm going to tell you what, these are looking really good down in this pot. I'll show you in a second. They're still going to have to cook just a little bit longer. Yep, they're getting up now to about 190 around in there. Let me show you what they look like real quick, just so you know. Now those are some good looking baked potatoes right there. Now we'll shut the lid back and let them go another few minutes. Okay, now it's coming up under 30 seconds here on this 40-minute cook, and we're going to see if it's done. If it's not done, we'll just cook it a few more minutes. So I was saying, when you're cooking something like that, you really need a little pin thermometer like this, so you can stick in there and see about what the temperature is. Because if your potato is a little bit smaller than this, it's probably going to get done quicker than this. If it's a little bit larger, you know, of course it might take a little more time. I'll let the motor stop around there. It goes. Lift the lid. That feels like it's done. That's 208, and I know it's going to keep on rising some. This one here is just about the same thing, 208, and I know it's going to keep on rising for another minute or two, or a little bit further. So I have no fear that these are going to be up to 210 without any problem. I'll let you look at them real quick before I take them out. There you go, those look good. Now let's go have that peel on the outside like you see on a regular baked potato. And let's get them out and put them in a plate. Okay, now here they are. I know one of these is a couple of ounces more than the other, but now after you take them out, you can't hardly tell which one's which. So anyway, I've got some of this Hormel chili here. You can't turn on the TV without seeing ads about it here lately. So I've got me some here in a bowl that I'll open another can, so we'll try that. I got some sour cream we'll put on it. We'll put some cheese on it, and anything else I can think of along the way. So let's see how it goes here. Let me cut one open. Okay, now let me see how hot this still is. It's pretty warm. Now I find it best to put all these ingredients in here. I push it together like that. Sometimes it's too hot. Let me get me a couple paper towels. you want to be able to push it together, open it up, so you can put your stuff down in it. So, push it together like that until it pops open. Oh, that's looking good right there, if you can see it. All right, now we'll put a little more salt and pepper in it. You have to be careful with this grinder salt because it comes out in a hurry. Now, we'll take some of this parquet squeeze and put down in there on top of it. Oh yeah. That looks good just like that, doesn't it? But we're not through. No. Now we'll take and get me a spoon of this chili right here and put on it. This is good chili, by the way. It's got big chunks of beef and stuff in it. So I'm glad I got some and tried it. It's been a long time since I've tried any. Then we'll put some of this, I've got this Mexican style 4 cheese. That's what I like to use most of the time. Okay, just put some of that right there like that. And we'll take my fork and push some of it down in there so it can start heating up. And then we'll take me a little squirt of this sour cream here. It's Daisy sour cream. Put right down here. Just like that. Now, is that a baked potato or what? You know, let me show you this baked potato. Let's zoom in here closer. You know, so now that's a good looking baked potato right there, isn't it? Okay, now let's cut into it. See what it's like. I know what it's like. It's going to be really good. Now, I have seen some people that just dig into these with a fork down in here and just eat all the potato out of it and don't eat the skin. I love that skin after it's cooked like this. Okay, now I know everybody's busy and you don't have time. You say you don't have time to sit there and wait 40 minutes for a potato to cook in the Ninja FOODi DELUXE. Well, if you like baked potatoes at all, you should pamper yourself just one time and fix you one like this instead of in the microwave, because you just wouldn't believe the difference in this and a microwave baked potato. You know, and I'm not knocking microwave baked potatoes. I mean, we have them a lot ourselves because we get in a rush at the last minute and forget about them. But we think about it in time, this is the way to go. And so until next time, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you come back and see us real soon. And y'all have a real good and safe day. And don't forget the routine. Wash your hands. Stay away from everybody. You know, and so we'll all get through this sooner or later. So, till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. Goodbye.